Okay, it's running. Alright. We have a 24-42 Mattison. I'll have the specs for it, but it's a 42-inch table, and I believe the 24 indicates the spindle rise. I'm not sure, but we're going to run it for you anyways. Just run it for you as well as we know how. Alright. The main motor's on. Okay, there's the table. Lots of chuck life left in it. There's the table going in. Table going out. That's the spin or the carriage or Z going up, I guess we'll call it. Now that's coming back down. There's your electromagnetic chuck. It's got a variable. Sorry, it's kind of low light in here, but kind of a typical warehouse. The machine runs nice. It's got a segmented wheel. So I believe it's a 20-inch segmented wheel. So she's a Mattison. Okay, she's ready to go.